Hey everyone, it's Cindy with Cresin Project. So it's been a while since I posted. I know, I'm sorry. It's just so much has been going on. I've been trying to get prepared for the Wildflower Festival that will be starting, that will be next month. Been trying to practice on free diving because I have a free diving level 1 class that's going to be coming up at the end of this month, and I'm a little nervous. I haven't really done any free diving or been in the water since September last year, so it's been quite a while. But we got in the water last week, did a little bit of free diving and practice on my breath hold, and I got a ways to go. So this weekend, yesterday and today, we had Fly Across Florida, which is an event that we get here up in North Florida. It runs from Tallahassee all the way to Jacksonville, and it just has like a bunch of people on the side of the road selling stuff. So I got a lot of books. I got 2 binfuls of books. They're not in there now. I went through, and some of the books I'm gonna probably give to a little free library or post on Facebook to see if anyone wants any. But I got a lot. So my shelves have really grown since my last post. So I got some Funkos too, Harry Potter. I would have liked to get some of the other characters, but they didn't really have too many. And then this was my haul from today. I didn't really get as many as I had hoped. So yeah, that was how my weekend went, and just been kind of preparing for the event, making things. So I'm gonna put the video in time lapse now, and hopefully you enjoy the video, and feel free to leave a comment and like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. So thanks for watching, and enjoy the video. I did some more manatees and some little beads and this heart. That's pretty much it for the day. So thank you for watching and have a great day.